This faucet has seen better days. Check out the water that's coming out of here. Make sure to turn off the water and relieve the pressure. Check it out. This here, the pin, fit in here, but you can tell that this has been broken. Just over time, just kind of messed up. So we're going to go to the hardware store and try to replace this. Being that this is a part, I'm probably just going to take this off and take a look at what's happening on the inside and maybe replace those as well. I'm going to set this down exactly how I pulled it out. See these rubber O-rings? These will eventually go out as well, so we might as well change it since we have this thing apart. I went to the store and got the bulk pack. Check that out. There's 50 of them in here. Let's get them in. Make sure this is correct. You can do sinks too. This here's the replacement part, RP 5649-3. Lowe's did not have this. I had to go to Home Depot to get it. So I'm using a crescent wrench for this, but you could use a 7/8 6-point deep socket if you wanted. This has a gasket right here, so I am not going to put Teflon tape around here. Looks like it's working. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.